Well, hello, good morning. We're back again, as you can see, and I do hope you've had a great week. Had a few opportunities to get some bike rides in. It's nearly 10 o'clock in the morning, and the rain that you see is supposed to be clearing in the next couple of hours, hopefully sooner. Not sure why I'm entering everything with a question mark at the end. It really annoys me, so try not to do that. If you watched an earlier video from a couple of weeks ago, a bit of an unpacking video, and it was this waterproof jacket I'm wearing now, the DHB flashlight. And it's doing a great job at the moment, keeping me cool but also dry at the same time. So I'm just on my way towards Hawkstow Road. I'm going to be dropping down off the Ancone Valley and across the Hawkstow Bridge, which is about a mile up from where I am now. There's a little bit of a brisk wind today, which I'm heading into at the moment, but nothing like yesterday, Saturday, because it was horrendous yesterday. Gale force winds. I was supposed to be doing the ride, which I'm going to tell you about in a minute, yesterday, but instead I went on Zwift, and as I had pretty much the whole day to myself, I thought I'd try doing a 100 mile on Zwift. So I did that. I must say I don't recommend it. It wasn't the most interesting experience I've had on a bike. Zwift definitely does not have a patch on going outdoors. You know, I probably enjoy 100 miles in the pouring rain than 100 miles indoors on Zwift. So yeah, I've done it, but I don't think I'll be doing that again. Maybe next year, maybe one of them every year, but yeah, 100 miles on a bike indoors, not the best fun you can have on two wheels. As you can see, I'm at the Hawkstow Bridge again. Always worth putting this view into a ride. So what is today's ride? It's my 200k February ride, my DIY for audax. The weather was supposed to be a bit better than today actually. I'm just hoping it clears soon. It's not so pleasant. Let's see what the day brings. And so the first stop of the day is just coming up. I say just. It's probably about 5 miles away. And it's at the Paddocks Tea Rooms in Alkborough again in North Lincolnshire. So I'm hoping this is probably the wettest stage of the ride. So it's been clear blue skies later. So I'm just making my way down Holmes Lane into Winterton. Quite exposed to the wind along here. So just coming up to a junction, I'm just going to put my foot down for a minute to tell you about some sportives that I've booked myself on in the last 7 days. So yeah, I've booked myself into 3 more rides this season, 2 of which are sportives and one's a charity ride. In April it's the Paul Kirk Memorial Sportive, I think that's its proper title. So that's a local one, starts in Brig, 100 miles. Well, there are shorter options available, of course. Those guys go for the longest one. And then later in the summertime, in June, there's another local event going on in Scunthorpe, which is the Summer Beach Barbecue. So I'm going to check that out, and they're encouraging people to dress in Hawaiian shirts and things like that, so I might just buy a Hawaiian shirt just for the occasion. So anyway, yeah, they're the next sportives coming up, and there's a few more I'm looking to do as well, which I haven't booked myself on yet. I might mention them later in the video, let you know what those are. It just occurred to me I actually booked 4 in this week. In May, middle of May, it's the Lincoln GP, the Lincoln Grand Prix, which I've done for the last couple of years now, or maybe 3 years. I lose track of the years. So that's in May, looking forward to that. That's the one with the climb up Michaelgate in the centre of Lincoln. But it's on Simon Warren's top 100 climbs. Michaelgate, Lincoln. Well, it's about 11:30 on this Sunday. Just had lunch at the Paddocks Tea Rooms. Nice, a small breakfast, cup of tea, coffee, cake, and next stop is at Wickenby Airfield. It closes at 4, so I've actually got about 3.5 hours to get there. So, well, 3 hours to get there. So I'm going to be pushed for time really. So I'm not going to stick around any more longer. Get moving. Okay, so I just realised I've actually got 4 hours, not 3 hours, to reach Wickenby Airfield. And it's just over 70k away. So, with a nice tailwind on my back now, I should be able to do that, as long as there's no interruptions. Okay, I've just been flying down the River Trent. The wind has been really nice to me. I'm just about to go through Lawton Woods. I put this on my route mainly just in case the wind was against me. There was a bit of a way to hide from the wind for about 4 or 5 miles. So I'm going to go through there now. So I got a bit of sunlight trying to make its way through. Well, the weather's turned really nice now. Look at that. Quite nice for February anyway. Sun's out. Some other news as well, exciting news. Well, exciting for me anyway. As well as the sportives next year, then this year, sorry. Decided up to number 4. I've also decided my challenge. I've other challenges for 2019. Well, if I cast my mind back to August last year, I did a 2,000 kilometre challenge. That's 2,000 kilometres in a month. And I really enjoyed it because I nearly got out there every day of the month. So like 20 active days or something silly like that. So when I do that again, 3 times this year, April, June, and I think September. I've got more down on my website. If you want to check that out, it's longdistancecyclist.co.uk. If you head over to the My Events page, all my sportives are up there now, as are my challenges as well. Oh, it's really turned out nice now. Look at that sky. It's going to be a bit windy on the way back though, with 61k to go. But audax wise, don't have to finish this till about 9:30 tonight, so I've got loads of time. So in the next 60k, got to go through Market Raisin, Moor Town. Got to do the Graspy Hill. Oh, it's like 16-17%. We're like a minute. So it's going to be pretty painful going up there. But that's the only major climb really. Oh bloody hell, I've left my water bottle at Wickenby. Just about to leave Wickenby Airfield for the second time. Now I've picked up my water bottle. Luckily I'd only gone about a mile up the road, so yeah, didn't have too much time. So as you can see, it's starting to get dark now. It's coming to the end of the ride as well. And I've just gone up Graspy, which was the last climb of the day. It's like 2 shelves to go up before you get to the top of it. And the bottom, I was like, can't remember there being 2 shelves. I was looking at it, and it was mentally, I was thinking to myself, I'm not going to get up here. And as I started to go up, I sort of shunted that out really, and just got on with it. Before you know it, I was over both shelves. Maybe you can see the wind's dropped completely dead now. Temperature is just above freezing point. So it's just as well getting off the Lincolnshire Wolds. What a glorious end to a day. But as you can see, it's nearly dark. There's not much of the ride left. Probably finish in the next hour, to be honest. But look at that sunset. That beautiful February. It's getting pretty cold now though, so I'm not going to hang around. Just outside Great Limber. Me and Laceby, before you know it, back in town. Just over there, you can see all the lights. So as always, I'll see you next weekend. I'm probably doing something if the weather's good. Probably a social ride next weekend because I've done my 200 now. Don't need to do another one in February. One's enough at this time of year. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like it that much, perhaps consider subscribing to my channel. Always got content going out every week, just about. Hope you have a good week. I'll catch you at the weekend. See you later.